guys, I apologize for not putting something up for a little while at the moment. My computer went and it took a little while to fix it. Here's the old motherboard that replaced plus other things, so I apologize. Anyway, let's go with today's project. Thank you very much. Hi guys, so I've got this power pack here. It's to a drum machine, but what's happened is frayed. All this is frayed, as you can see. So we've got no connection really between that and this. So I'm going to try and repair this and see if I can, because sometimes these things are very finicky, and see if I can find which is the positive on this as well, because there's no connection at all. Oh dear, it's a star screwdriver. Yep, found my star screwdriver. Now some of these are very hard to take apart because they don't have screws on, and you have to cut it around and do all kind of weird things. Them are the ones I don't want to repair. Okay, I did a little bit of banging about and stuff like that, and I've cracked it. It's still really tight, to be honest with you. It's amazingly tight there. So I cracked it open here. Let's see how we can do this. There you go. Okay, so the important thing is this lead. Which one? Where does this lead go? That's what we're trying to find out here. Which lead go where? Don't know if you can see. So the one with the positive is on the outside of this. Okay. So when you look at this here, there's your positive there. That's the color one going to this one here. So now we know where that's gonna go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off and redo this lot here. So I cut this piece off here and I split this in half, took the lead out. I might just get away by pushing this down in here so it has something to hold on to. We'll see if it works. that's it guys, that's the best I can do as repair goes. I'm going to plug it in and let me just check the voltage, and I do believe it's AC because it's only got a transformer in there. It's got no capacitor or diode or anything like that whatsoever. So let's have a look what it reads. It's supposed to be 9 volts, so put it on to 12 volts. Here we go. Right, so the outside should be the positive in theory. Reads nothing. AC. Reads nothing. So what I found, I had to open this up. There was an OC here, open circuit here, so I have to solder that, and I'm hoping that's it because the windings look okay. I broke up on this one, windings look okay, but the problem is like this shows a short, but because the wire is so thick, I think it will show a short, but I think it's fine. So I'll test it and see what happens. Okay, so I soldered it. I'm just going to put tape on it and cover it up off camera. So yeah, I taped it up and it does fit back in, so I'm just going to redo this off camera and tape that up as well. There you go, resoldered, but I think they might be a bit high, but they mustn't be moved. I think they've got to come down a bit. So I might actually tape them up like this before I continue with this. Just put more tape around it. There you go guys. Hopefully it works this time, and if it doesn't, I'll give up. It's worth a try. Okay, here we go. Plug it in. Well, it hasn't blown up yet, it's plugged in now. We're looking at, I think we're looking at AC voltage, to be honest with you. But here we go. Nope. Yeah, we're looking at AC voltage, 12 point something volts there, which is working fine. And if you put that in the middle, so basically, if you swap these over, that's what I was saying. It's the same. So it didn't matter what side the leads went on the other one because it's AC. But there you go, guys, it's working. I'm pleased to say. How long will it work? That's the thing. Fine. Thank you for watching, and thumbs up. Thank you.